Hey YouTube and good morning. You're gonna see me do a simple makeup tutorial and thing. So yeah, and I just got through doing my hair. So right now, and I'm actually using my new excuse me, my new iHome vanity mirror. And things. So yeah, it's pretty good. So all right. Next thing I'm gonna use is, if you can see that, this is a good thing I'm using. Just a simple makeup tutorial. And this is in the color Deep um, 5. Just a few items we're just gonna do to the face this morning. And I just hope everybody had a very good Christmas. If you, some of y'all trying to figure out what kind of what is my color for what type of foundation colors, I am Pins on the Brain, different shades. Like if just a lighten, different shades and thing, but yeah, right, just lightening up a little bit. All right. The next thing I'm using is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind under the eye. Okay. Yeah. And with the vanity mirror, um, I don't know where you can get it. I think you can get it at Walmart. I got it for Christmas. If you see a light, that's what it is. And what you do, you hook it up to your iPhone and you can play music, anything. But I'm going to use it for just for the light and things. So yeah, so we're through with that. But later you'll see me put the powder on. So we're going to take this brush right here, and we're going to take this palette. This is one of my newer palettes I haven't used just yet. And we're going to take Audi, that's this color right here, and put it in the crease. And before I put it in the crease, let me put this on. Don't need much. And things, so it's called Oud, Oud, OUD. So the next color we're going to use is Blazing. It's sort of like this nudie, peachy color right here. Also in the crease. Okay. So the next color we're going to use, I think it's going to be, so before I get to all through there, let me get through this right quick. Finish that up. And we're going to take, okay, we're going to take this brush right here. And we're going to use this color right here. And this is the color. It's called Per Mind. I hope I'm pronouncing that word right. I'm gonna take this brush and we're just gonna blend it a little bit. And we're gonna go back in with this brush right here. And we're gonna take the color Amber right here and just put it lightly all over the lid. We're just gonna be very light with it. And so we're gonna take Musk, M-U-S-K right here. And we're going to use this brush right here. And we're gonna take this color as the brow bone color. That's it for the color. So we're just going to take this color and just finish it out. And then we're going to take this blush. Powder, excuse me, y'all. And we're just gonna just put a little bit of powder on this morning. Here we go. And we're gonna use this one called Poppy by LA Color Rouge. It's just a and for today, that's all I'm gonna do for today. I'm not going to many places today. So yeah, this is it. So let me give you a lipstick color. And the color we're going to use is called Plum Baby by Rimmel London. And it is a pearl finish. And there you go. That is the look. I am pretty. I'm okay with it. And then, hope everybody has a good day. Until then, I'm Alicia. Bye.